This is just a very short video, not really a part 8 of the tutorial of building the ticket from the PAWS manual. There was a question as to where to get the PAWS manual from. It's readily available online. I was working from the Spectrum manual, but looking online, there's a later version of PAWS for the CPM computers, and this is a little bit closer to the way that DAAD works now. So I think in entries like working with the bird entries, it would tend to not have the second underscore and would use the word bird as a label. That no longer works in DAAD, and it looks like the CPM version has already got rid of that idea by then. So if you want to work your way through, the CPM version is much closer. There are still a few of the conducts that have changed the meaning, like desk and FARS, which you need to be aware of. We did discuss those through the videos, but this is probably the better one to follow. There are a couple of things to tie up from the last video. One was to put all things in a bag when the bag was not there. For some reason I'd gone totally brain dead, and I was saying that there was no not present for the bag in DAAD. There isn't a not present, there is an absent, which is exactly what we needed. So the bag is not being carried and it's not at the player's location, it is absent. So that entry really needed put all in the bag. If the bag is absent, then give the message the bag is not here, and we're done. So that clears that one up, and the only other one was the bird entries. We were getting multiple entries on the screen about the bird, even when the bird had flown off. What we really needed at the end of each of those was just a done statement, and that tidies up the output altogether. I think in the next section of videos I'm going to look at building something new altogether, and work our way through the process of doing that in DAAD Builder. So I will see you in the next series of videos. Bye for now.